African geography. Welcome to Africa. Karibu Africa. The regions will cover are North, West, Central, East, and South Africa, countries and flags in each region, seas and oceans, lakes, rivers, deserts, mountains, the Rift Valley, and much more. Africa is divided into two by the equator. These are the countries where the equator passes: Gabon, Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda, Kenya, and Somalia. Other latitudes include Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The longitude, prime meridian, passes through Accra, Ghana. The 5 regions are North Africa, West Africa, Central Africa, East Africa, and Southern Africa. Madagascar is considered to be in East Africa. Here are the 54 countries that encompass Africa. South Sudan is the newest country. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. Time zones include the Greenwich Mean Time, where the Greenwich Prime Meridian passes in Accra, Ghana, West Africa Time Zone, Central Africa Time Zone, and East Africa Time Zone. Climate zones fall between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. So you have 4 different climate zones in the continent of Africa. The equatorial climate zone, where the equator passes, sub-equatorial, tropical zone, and subtropical zones. Northern Africa. The countries you find in North Africa include Sudan, capital city, Khartoum; Egypt, capital city, Cairo; Libya, capital city, Tripoli; Tunisia, capital city, Tunis; Algeria, capital city, Algiers; Morocco, capital city, Rabat; and Western Sahara, which is a territory, capital city, Laayoune. Some of the geographical features in Northern Africa include the Sahara Desert, the Atlas Mountains, the Nile River, the Mediterranean Sea, the Red Sea, pyramids, Suez Canal, and others. The Sahara Desert is the largest desert in the continent of Africa. It encompasses the northern part of North Africa, from Western Sahara, Morocco, Algeria, Mauritania, all the way to the Red Sea in Egypt and Sudan. You will find seasonal lakes, rivers, and also mountain peaks in the Sahara Desert. This is a salt wadis, where water has evaporated and left salt at the bottom. The Atlas Mountains. The Atlas mountain ranges are not continuous. They have plateaus in between them. They can be found from Tunisia, Algeria, and Morocco. The people who live in this region are known as the Amazigh people, or the Amazigh or Berber tribes of Northern Africa. The Nile River It is the longest river in the continent of Africa. There are two tributaries, the White Nile and the Blue Nile. This is the White Nile in Jinja, Uganda. The White Nile comes from Lake Victoria in Uganda, the Blue Nile from Lake Tana in Ethiopia. Both tributaries meet in Khartoum, capital city of Sudan. This is an image of Khartoum. Khartoum is a very beautiful city. The Nile River empties in the Mediterranean Sea in Egypt. The Mediterranean Sea is the 10th largest sea in the world. It borders the continent of Europe to the north. To the east, it borders Asia, and to the south, the continent of Africa. To the west, the Mediterranean Sea connects the Atlantic Ocean via a narrow Strait of Gibraltar. The Red Sea is a salty sea. It is known as the Red Sea because of seasonal blooms of the red color cyanobacteria algae. It borders 6 countries, Yemen and Saudi Arabia to the east, Egypt, Sudan, Eritrea, and Djibouti to the west. The Red Sea is heavily trafficked by huge ships ferrying goods from Middle East and Asia to the Americas and Europe. It is connected to the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean Sea to the south through the Gulf of Aden. The Suez Canal. It is an artificial waterway in Egypt. It connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. It was built in 1859 to 1869. The Great Pyramids that you can find in Egypt, the Great Pyramid of Giza, the Great Sphinx of Giza, Nubian pyramids were built by the rulers of ancient Cushitic kingdoms found in present-day Sudan. Hammam thermal springs in Algeria. They are known to have healing powers. Tassili Aja in Algeria. Cave drawings found in Tassili Aja. Part 2 is on East and West Africa.